Hey there, dance friends, Carrie here. Today I'm going to take you through a little tap step practice combo. We're going to talk about Irishes, and we are going to put them in a little practice combo, like I said, do it to some music. So an Irish is a shuffle hop step. If you don't like to hop, I'm going to give you some options where you can kind of change it up a little. Grab your tap shoes or your tennis shoes or whatever you want to tap in, and let's tap dance. Here we go. All right, so an Irish in tap dancing is a shuffle hop step. That shuffle has two sounds. It's always going to brush away and back. That brush is just the ball tap, remember? And for this particular exercise, I'm going to shuffle out. Do a side shuffle, okay? Front shuffle, side shuffle. So I'm shuffling out this way. And that hop in tap dancing is just a little boop, a hop, not changing your weight. So this is hopping up and down. And it's important to know that we're not trying to get height. So we're not trying to like, you could just do like this. Boop, like the little tiniest little boop off the ground. So it's a shuffle, a hop, and then a step. And then that changes your weight. This is kind of where sometimes we start to feel like this because the hop comes first. Shuffle, hop, step. Change your weight, okay? Shuffle, hop, step. Shuffle, hop, step. And if you can, you want to step up on the ball of your foot. And when you hop, you want to try to keep on the ball of your foot too. If you can. If your heel comes down, that's okay too. If you're not about the hopping, you could do shuffle, heel, step. Okay? Shuffle, heel, step. Or like I said, you won't hear the extra sound, but you can do shuffle, hop, step. Shuffle, hop, step. So I'm kind of picking that foot up as much as I can, but I'm not actually hopping and leaving the ground. That's an option too. So that right side Irish, again, is going to be shuffle, hop, step. Ready? 5, 6, shuffle, hop, step. Ready? 5, 6, shuffle, hop, step. Left side, your left foot's going to get the shuffle. You're going to hop on your right foot. Don't change that weight yet. Then step and change your weight to your left foot. So it's going to be shuffle, hop, step on your left foot. Shuffle, hop, step. Just try that left foot. Left foot. 5, 6, shuffle, hop, step. Ready? 5, 6, shuffle your left. Ready? 5, 6, shuffle, hop, step. So right foot's going to be shuffle, hop, step. Your left foot's going to be shuffle, hop, step. So when we go side to side, remembering the order of when you're hopping and when you're stepping, it'll take a little while to get it. So don't stress out. Here's what we're going to do. It always starts with a shuffle though. Shuffle, hop, step. So we're going to pause in between so that we're going to give our brain a little beat to remember what's happening. So you're going to do shuffle, hop, step on your right, and then I'm going to clap twice. And when I'm clapping, I'm thinking, what is my left foot about to do? Oh yeah, shuffle. Shuffle, hop, step, clap, clap. Okay? So I'm going to go. Shuffle, hop, step. Shuffle, hop, step. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. 5, 6. Shuffle, hop, step, clap, clap. Left side. Again, 5, 6, shuffle, hop, step, clap, clap. Left side. Again, 5, 6, shuffle, hop, step, clap, clap. Left side. So that shuffle, my foot will do it, has this rhythm. Shuffle, hop, step. Shuffle, hop, step. See, you don't even have to leave the ground. You just want to drop that heel or kind of lift up. We're going to do that 4 times in a row. Shuffle, hop, step. Shuffle, hop, step. Shuffle, hop, step. Shuffle, hop, step. If your heel comes down in between these, that's okay. Here we go. 4 times in a row. 5, 6. Shuffle, hop, step, and clap. We go. Shuffle, hop, step, and clap. Shuffle, hop, step, and clap. Shuffle, hop, step. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, hop, step. Shuffle, hop, step. Yeah? One more time. 5, 6, shuffle, hop, step, and clap. Here we go. Left side. Right side shuffle. Left side shuffle. From there, so we're gonna do that 4 times in a row in our little combo. Now you're gonna take the pause and the clapping out, and you're just gonna do 8 Irishes in a row. So you can't pause to think about it. It's gonna be shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo, this will get your heart rate up too, my goodness. So 8 Irishes in a row. Honestly, it's easier to go a little bit faster because when you go slow, your balance is like, what's happening? So we're gonna do 8 Irishes like this. Shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step. Ready? 5, 6, shuffle, hop, step with your right foot. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, an 8. That's fun. Try it again. 5, 6, 8, shuffle, hop, steps. We go. Shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step. Yeah? One of my shuffles didn't even make a sound. Woo, it happens. So, we're gonna do shuffle, hop, step, and clap. Shuffle, hop, step, and clap. Shuffle, hop, step, and clap. 4 of those, then 8 Irishes. Shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step. You can do it. Ready? Here we go. Shuffle, hop, step, double clap. Shuffle, hop, step, double clap. If you don't feel comfortable with the actual mechanics of the Irish yet, pause it, think about it, feel it in your body, and then press play again and jump back in and try it with me, okay? So you can do it. I believe in you. Shuffle, hop, step, and clap. Shuffle, hop, step, and clap. Ready? 5, 6, shuffle your right foot. We go. Left side, right side, left side. No pausing. Right, left, left. Shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step. Oh my goodness, that's fun. I'm gonna put on some music. Just more fun with music, and we're gonna do that. Shuffle, hop, step, and clap 4 times, and then 8 Irishes, leading with that right foot. Here we go. You got it. All right.
There once was a ship that put to sea. The
Full hop, step, tap, tap. Full hop, step, tap, tap. 5, 6, 7, go. Full hop, step. Full hop, step. Full hop, step. Here we go. A 1, 2, full hop, step. Full hop, step. Yeah, one more time. Good job.
There once was a ship that put to sea.
There are Irishes. Shuffle, hop, step. 5, 6, shuffle your right. Left side, full hop, step. Full hop, step. Now 8, here we go. Full hop, step, full hop, step, full hop, step. 1 more. Yeah. Good job. Fantastic job. So we had to dance to some Irish music doing our Irishes. So, one more little step to this practice combo. This is what's called a front Irish. It's the exact same step, but instead of just going, I'm gonna step across. Shuffle, hop, step. Shuffle, hop, step. Shuffle, hop, step. So I'm just placing that foot in front. Shuffle, hop, front. Shuffle, hop, front. Shuffle, hop, front. That's our front Irish. Our back Irish, you just step in the back. Shuffle, hop, step back. Shuffle, hop back. Shuffle, hop back. Shuffle, hop back. Okay? It's the exact same motion. If you had room, you can travel with Irishes. So we could move all around. Most of us are dancing on small boards. So what you're gonna do is keep it right, you're crossing in front, but you're not really moving, okay? You're crossing and then really crossing in front. You can even kind of hop that foot back a little if you need to. It's important to know that the step is in front, the hop isn't. So you aren't going, you're not hopping forward and back. You're shuffling, hopping up, and then just crossing in front. Okay? Yeah. So here's the pattern we're gonna do. Shuffle, hop, cross to the front 3 times. And then you're just gonna march, march, slow. Now your left foot's free, just shuffle, hop, cross, back. 2 marches. Okay? So it's gonna be shuffle, hop right, shuffle, hop left, shuffle, hop right, 2 marches. Then shuffle, hop back, shuffle, hop left, shuffle, hop right, shuffle, hop left, 2 marches, right, left. Okay? These are our front Irishes and our back Irishes. That's it. That rounds out our practice combo. If it's tricking you up to cross your foot, just practice those regular Irishes. 1, 2, 3, and march. A 1, a 2, a 3, and march. So 3 shuffle hop steps, 2 marches, 3 shuffle hop steps, 2 marches. When we're going to the front, if you're moving or if you're crossing, it's right, left, right, march, march, and then your left foot's gonna lead as we go back. Okay? Really slow, it'll look like this. 3 front Irishes and marching. 5, 6, shuffle, hop, cross, we go. Front, front, 2 marches, now your left foot goes. Back, back, 2 marches. 5, 6, shuffle, hop, cross, shuffle, hop, cross. 2 marches, then shuffle left. Back, 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 and march again. 5, 6, shuffle, hop, cross, shuffle, hop, cross. 2 marches, then left. 2 marches. Ooh, and that's it. So the whole combo is shuffle, hop, step, and clap. Shuffle, hop, step, and clap. We do that 4 times. Then we do 8 regular Irishes, no pausing. A 1, a 2, a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then after the 8th one, you're going to do 3 front Irishes and march, then left foot leads it back and march. My feet are getting tired. Okay. My feet are rebelling on my shuffle. So here we go, nice and slow. We'll do it 1 time, then we'll do it with music a couple times. You can't mess it up. You're moving. Shuffle, hop, step, and clap. Shuffle, hop, step, and clap. 4 times. 8 Irishes, front Irish, back Irish. Here we go. Shuffle, hop, step, and clap. Ready? 5, 6, shuffle, hop, step. Now left foot leads. Now right foot leads. Now left foot leads. Now 8 singles. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, 5. Shuffle, hop, step. Cross in front if you want. A 1, a 2, a 3, 2 marches. Take it back. A 1, a 2, a 3, 2 marches. That's fun. Okay, I'm putting music on. You can't mess it up. You're up, you're moving. Just have fun with it. Here we go.
There once was a ship that put to sea. The
Shuffle,
name
hop,
of the
step.
ship was a whale.
Shuffle, hop, step. Here we go. Ready? 5, 6, shuffle, hop, step. Left side. Right side. Left side. 8 Irish dips. A 1, 6, shuffle, hop, step. Shuffle, hop, step. Cross in front if you want. 1, 2, 2 marches. Left side. 2 marches. Again, good job.
There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was a whale.
Shuffle, hop, step. Shuffle, hop, step. Oh, 5, 6, shuffle, hop, step. Clap. Left side. Right side. Left side. 8 Irish dips. Shuffle, hop, step. Shuffle, hop, step. 4, 3, cross in front. 2 marches, left foot. Cross back. One more time. Okay, let's do it one more time. I won't cue it, just for fun. Remember, it starts with shuffle, hop, step, double clap. Ready? Here we go.
There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was a whale.
Shuffle, hop, step. 5, 6, your right foot starts.
called all hands and swore he'd take that whale in tow. One day the wellerman found that we were sure and he and none. One day when the time is done, we'll take our leave and go. Take our leave and go.
Fantastic! Thank you so much for joining me for this little tap practice combo and our Irishes dancing to our little sea shanty. So I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing you in another recording. Bye, y'all.
From shore and down on her, a right whale bore. The captain called all hands and swore he'd take